Typhoon Sinlaku continues to move towards the Mariana Islands this morning with winds at 155 miles per hour, max gusts at 190, moving northwest at 9 miles per hour. It's weakened some since yesterday, although very formidable tropical system. Devastating impacts to these islands here. I really don't know how many people live here, but I'm sure people do. And it looks like to me like there's a lot of heavy rain on these islands anyway, with these bands just impacting these islands, right? Got kind of a radar hole here in this cone here, so can't really see, but you almost make out a concentric ring around this cyclone right now. So it could be doing a eyewall replacement cycle today, right now. So it may weaken some slightly as it moves towards the northwest here. Here's more of a zoomed out loop of the typhoon, right, as it made its way towards Guam and the Mariana Island chain. And very intense system here. Had winds maybe about 185 miles per hour is the most intense. And you see it's becoming a little less intense as it moves closer to the islands, but nonetheless a very powerful cyclone here. Impressive on satellite. Again, here's a very impressive look at the satellite loop close in of the Sinlaku, which is moving, ready to make landfall really here. So not much more to talk about with this satellite loop. So we move on to the current model output here, showing it going straight over the islands is a 900 to 910 millibar CAT4. Very strong system here. All right, this is the HASA model depiction of what it's going to look like as it goes over the islands. Here's your tropical storm force wind probabilities. Of course, most of the islands experiencing tropical storm force winds right now. And here's your 58 mile per hour wind probabilities. Not covering Guam. Likely Guam is experiencing tropical storm force winds as we speak. And just to the north of it, a little bit stronger winds. Of course, gusts could be higher. Hurricane force winds, of course, will be felt on the islands it's about to pass over, right? So um, down the hatches. By now you should be sheltered in place here. And here's your track, right? And your sustained wind, surface wind field estimate. Here's your hurricane force winds area, encompassing a pretty large area here from the Central Marianas to the Southern Mariana Islands here, just to the north of Guam. Here's your your 3-day track cone. It's already the afternoon or evening there. The sun's getting ready to set. Forecast, of course, it's closer to the island than this shows, right? But um, already evening hours there. So gonna move to generally to the north over straight over the island. So likely to bring heavy rain and flooding as it moves over these islands and then recurves out to sea. That's all I got today for the super typhoon. All right, and I hope y'all are safe out there. And I don't know what else to say other than be careful and God bless.